don't think that it's much hot today. It's much hot. You can see this big hot firing balls, and these days there are so hot waves coming. So I have made something new that you can appreciate and also like my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also share my video if you enjoy. So first we will make what I was going to show you, a amazing fan. It's in Japanese art fan. You can see it's much pretty, and I can show you it blows a very good air, and we will make it and enjoy our origami. So friends, you can see this fan can be opened and can be closed by our hand, and it's much pretty to see and enjoy. So now for making this fan, you will need two pages that should be of A4 size, and you have to cut it in a square, but I will not cut it because I can use it by myself and draw a line between it. So there are two A4 size papers, 6 ice cream sticks you will need, and you will enjoy to collect them by eating ice cream, but don't eat more. You will get cold and cough because it's a pandemic situation going on as a COVID-19. So you will need 6 ice cream sticks. I have taken it. I have also colored them because I love art and craft, and also I love studying also. Look, I have done some holes between them. You have to take a measurement and you have to do holes between all of them, and you will also need this type of string that I will show you. So you will need this type of stick that I showed you earlier, or I should not. So first we will do a hole, and let's join them with each other like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the last one is the 6th one. Look, we have already done these things. Now we have to fold this upwards direction, and you can differentiate them like this. It's like this, and the half is ready. Now you have to combine these two pages and take the back side portion, and if you have a bowl or you have a rounder, you can use it for your next. Look, I will show you where is my rounder. I have taken a rounder. Now you have to make a semicircle in the middle of this. You have to check whether how much you can take it, or you can just directly cut this much portion. I will show you. I will first make a big, a big semicircle so you can see it carefully. Wait, I will just show you. Now you have to draw this type of structure on your A4 size paper. If you don't want to waste your half page, you can cut it off from here, and you have to cut these like two structures, and this one is the blank one. So I will cut, you also cut with me. So where's my scissors? Here it is, and let's cut it. I'm cutting. I have cut this much, and now you have to cut this part and throw it away. It's not use of anything. Now you can see I have cut two semicircles like this, like a rainbow shape. And now what you have to do, one, you have to keep it like this and stick the sticks as according to the zigzag pattern. First, second, third, and fourth, and fifth, and sixth. Now you have to put this type of this and take your page and stick it like this. As here you can stick it. I'm showing you how to stick it with my glue stick. Don't stick it with your don't stick it with the glue. You have to use a glue stick. It's a hand sticking. You also stick with me. I have put some glue on it. Glue stick. Take a glue stick. And now you have to just pattern your stick and put some space between them all and stick it to your rainbow shade color. So I'm putting it carefully, don't be fast as your fan will be disturbed. I'm doing now you have to see I have done very good job, and now you have to stay their distance from the back, and I'm doing my best to perfect them. So I'm doing, you also do with me, sorry. I'm doing now you can see I have patterned them all, and now I'm sticking them. Let's stick it. Now you can see this is the waist part. You have to cut a little bit, not more, like this much. And you have to stick this part till your other stick. Look, I have cut this part, and I'm also cutting this part also. Don't cut more, just cut a little bit. I have cut it. Now you have to stick this much part with your stick. Like this, and fold it inside. So your stick will be perfectly closed. Like this. And you have to do the same method here also. So I'm sticking, you also stick with me. So now it has taken the shape of a fan, and now we have to make and stick the another one at the back side. First we will pattern this. Now we have to fold it as a zigzag pattern that I will show you like this. Do it with me. You have to just fold it like this. Don't go more. And again more. Again more. Again more. Again more. The last one. Wait a minute. So like this you have to do in a zigzag pattern, and now you can open it. And now the main thing comes, you have to open it and stick the back side portion. So let's stick it with now. It's time to open my fan. You can see, ta-da! So beautiful the fan looks, and you can fan yourself. It's amazing and creative fan, you can see. And please, please, please like and share the video. You can also put a sticker on it. You can see I put a sticker on here. You can also put the sticker on, you can fan yourself. Look. What a pretty fans I have made, and they're so beautiful. And also like if you enjoyed this video, and share as much as you can. And if you found this video as useful, so please share it to your friends, and also tell them to subscribe. And also see you soon in my next video. Bye, see you soon. Also comment below so how I can know how the video was. And also subscribe, like also, and bye.